Hi, Gold Community. This is Raiju again. I would like to share this week analysis regarding gold, XAUUSD, and I would like to discuss today a lot of things about bear and bull on gold. So let's start with monthly again. This analysis always start with a higher time frame. Monthly looks very bearish because it's we can really see that it broken the level of 1790, which was the trend line support, which is broken, and then it started to move down. And this week is very important because of FOMC meeting happening on Wednesday, and after the meeting we should get a very clear picture what is going to happen in stock market, and it gives a lot of confidence to investors. So technically before the event, this week FOMC event, one of the big, considered as one of the biggest event. So be alert on it when you are trading. Trade with low risk, and especially the momentum before FOMC is, as I explained last week, it is bear, and till FOMC it may start to continue it. But there are some tricky things has been placed since Friday. I'll show you what are those things. But let's have a look into the Bollinger Band strategy. Look at that. The price action on a monthly is broken 20 MA and trading below 20 MA, the median of the Bollinger Band, and it has a tendency to touch the top, the bottom of the band, which is around 1580. Technically, it can happen, but what happened the previous breakout? Let's see. It has clearly broken, and it takes time, and the Bollinger Band was tight before it's gonna trend change. So to till using that time, the it takes a lot of time to tighten the area, but here the band is wider, so that's what I'm expecting. Little bit momentum upside as technically to tighten. So we can wait at least 2 3 months, and this month is the quarter ending month, and the new quarter start from next month. So keep that in mind. The gold is not finished. I mean, the bottom or top is not yet done yet, and keep in your mind 17 18 or 7 was the opening level of this month, so that can be a resistance for little more time. And 1830, the 3 months resistant is 1830. So this gives a confidence, and this gives us, you can really see that is a resistance on 3 months, and this month as well as made as a resistance, but this month is still not been finished, and it can be go down or can go up, but I'm expecting 1860 close. That's my expectation. Okay. And let's see, will they go up or will they going down? So let's drill down the chart into weekly. Okay. Here I would like to share an important information about the fall here. It happened on August second week, which is, so many broker has different lows. So when you're measuring a correction from this low to this high 1830, you get a different 5 levels here. So we have a difficulties to understand the support level. Technically there are so much difficulty to understand the support level. We can give a approximate value, can't give an exact value, because of this uncertainty even happen, because some brokers have 1680, some brokers have 1670, some brokers have 1693. Many brokers are different things. So to sort this out, I want to show you a different pattern what you are forming in gold, which we don't see in here. That's what I noticed in some other pair, especially the I would like to open a dollar, Hong Kong dollar gold. Okay, this chart is really clear what is happening here, which is A, B, C, D, E. E has to come below the level of previous low. The previous low in here which is somewhere around 1710 in XAUUSD. So this pair is not reached 1680 yet. This target is not yet reached. And when you are looking in here, as you can really see, look at that. Next week can be a bearish week to touch this, and then we finish the September month, and then we can start with October a bullish rally. And this chart pattern is a very clear bullish pattern. So this I found last week, and I was really wondered how beautifully this XAUUSD pair has been cheating us with doing a spike or over somewhere around 1680, but which was not there. When I looking into different pairs, I saw that the low which was clearly manipulated, which very hard to analyze. So the most common pair XAUSD has been manipulated heavily, and we a lot of people lost good money on here. And as you can see, you look at that, it is terribly bullish weekly that printed. And you can see then after the week over, we are clearly started to correcting it as per the pattern. So once I see here A B C D E pattern, which is W or whatever, or if you print WX, the Y can be end here with very effective as WXY. So the Y can be, we can say A B C D E. This is typical Y pattern. I can really see it's a very typical Y pattern, 535. Or no, this is the way I found it, which is I am really worried about, and about bulls, because it can come down to 1680. So I am prepared for 1680 again. And once you're coming into XAUUSD, as you can really see, that pattern is there. But let's go into daily. You see this is now. Um, this looks like this is finished and is coming back up and continue downside. But this pattern here is gives me trouble, because it does not look like a second wave. It looks like a corrective pattern. So many people they're counting as, second wave, and then third wave comes in. So it looks like a corrective patterns like A B. I mean, I would like to give a W and X and Y, and Y should not be impulsive, it can be corrective as well. So here you can see an impulse pattern, and this impulse pattern is gives me another indication of FOMC bear market, or it's favoring bear as well this week. So I'll tell you where and how is favoring bear. So once you're looking into this pattern, as you can really see, we are trading down the 20 MA daily, which is a bearish always. We have to look for short. We don't want to look for buy when you are always trending below 20 MA. That's the technical stuff. So secondly, I was anticipating a 1810, but unfortunately, gold ended up with 1807. Why 1807? That is the open level of the month. We stopped there, and also 50% correction from the entire drop from 1830 to 1781. So it is 50% comes around 1807. So we stopped there. Normally, gold don't stop 50%. If it's a corrective, it definitely moves more than 50 percentage. So there is something, some problem over there. But let's go for a bull wave now. A bear wave I will already show you. Bear wave we will discuss both here. When you're coming into 1 hour chart, let's drill down it. The problem I found for favoring beer is there is a hidden bearish pattern over here, which is called one-to-one pattern. The one-to-one bearish is falls around 1771. and we have closed is 1753, so Monday probably can move up there, and we can touch 1771 and started to pull back downside. So one to one pattern is normally a fourth wave or second wave pattern. In a harmonic pattern, it prints always on a fourth, and irregular corrections and AB equal to CD. This is a way when this pattern appears. So yeah, I was expected a drop on Friday, which does not happen. So I was so much disappointed because I was expecting a drop below this level. That means this pattern will be invalidate, and I can pull. Okay, if this pattern continuously going down and going up, then there is no one-to-one pattern. Instead, if it's going from here, yes, there is a one-to-one bearish is there. So bulls go this direction, bears go this direction. So this is the two thing: bulls going down and going up, bear going up and going down. So this is the two important thing before the event. So I'm very curious and conscious about this 1771, because 1771 1774 is one of the trap, what we can say trap, or we can say, anything we can say about it, but there's a resistance falls around that, but five resistance. So make sure 1771 1774 is, you have to watch before FOMC. If it happened before FOMC, yes, the momentum, the news will favor you downside. Or if it's going down before FOMC and started to pulling back up, the news will favor you in the bullish side. So if FOMC hammer here, the FOMC price action will move up. If FOMC somewhere here, yes, you are ready to bang gold and move down. So this is the important thing. You have to be very very clear on this, and this is the chart pattern is clearly showing that two thing, and I am very concerned about it. And as per Elliotwave, yes, I am bullish, and the same time I am bearish too, because I showed you a bearish pattern coming in XAU Hong Kong dollar chart, and I believe the same thing happened here as well. As you can really see, look at the pattern, and this is the pattern I was really favoring. And this pattern here, you can say the price is top somewhere around here. This is the actual low happen on XAUUSD. So we can create, this is the way we can create a channel as per Hong Kong dollar chart pattern, and you can expect now again. See, when the one-to-one pattern is playing around 1771, look at this fiber ratio, and you can expect that bottom here below this level. So we can expect the price action which is below 1717, and it can move a little bit downside before playing up. So this is the pattern here is bullish pattern, and it's definitely a bullish pattern. And still in XAUUSD, if you reach here, it will count as a wave 2 again. So again, the light wave people can adjust their label to, it's not their mistake. Okay, adjust their label to here, and then started to move 3, 4, 5. Because the problem here, we having difficulties to found support level on gold. So the only way I can get the support level by doing an extensions. So let's do the extensions from here to here. See, the 1.271 is 1742, which is not been reached, and I'm expecting somewhere around 1725, and it can break a little bit more with according to the pattern. But I think there are something fishing here, because of XAU, Hong Kong dollar. I feel the two can be comes below this level. That's what I think. But as per Hong Kong dollar, that cannot be a two wave, that can be a Y wave ending. So from Y wave here, it's not two, but in XAUUSD we can say it's a two, but in XAU Hong Kong dollar we can say it's a Y wave here. So either way, the beer will finish somewhere around here. But trade with caution, trade with stop losses. We are not going up next week. I'm expecting drop, um, according to the pattern. But again, my view is bullish. So it doesn't matter if I'm bull. I definitely short when I see correction. So I know that this wave is not finished, so I'm looking for this wave to be complete and waiting for it. During the time the price action is pressing downside, so I will definitely trade it. So once this wave is done, I definitely buy gold. So not going to be 1620 or 1650. It's somewhere close around 1680, that level, or below 17, or maybe 1700 mark, or 1725. Below 1725 we're gonna close it. And as you can really see, the silver is very interesting. And silver, look at the silver XAU. Okay, silver is coming. All right, you see, this is what has happened on silver. Silver is coming down and down, and there, damn, that is coming down again. It's gone. It's a very clear. The pattern is very clear. It started to bang down again. But when you're looking into first week on a weekly chart, this is not going to cross it. So this is the support, and it started to pull back higher from here. So once we goes below slightly on this low, okay, we are good to go. We are good to go up, because this is considered as a B C correction. So once this impulse, like you can say flag, yeah, you say it's like a flag, right? So silver is doing its job. So it is coming in. So gold is also follow. So let me see again gold, and it's a weekly chart. And coming back to 1 hour chart, you see this, the gold does not break on the previous low on Friday, and it's closed little, it comes closer, but it gives me a target somewhere around 17 80 70 71. That is the best area to short gold before FOMC. Or if you find a low in Monday, then the gold will not be bearish. The FOMC will bring the gold up. So thanks for listening. Thanks for watching, and have a great day or have a great week. Thank you.